Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnay Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnay Quezon the First. My situation year 2025 is truthfulness day is killing me. The kid on my right ear tends to get my business idea of which is day is killing me. They want me to talk, just talk, and then not to have fun with Alex and Gementisa Jr. ko. And then I am writing this one. My situation at the moment is truthfulness day is killing me. Truthfulness day is killing me. And then this is my writing. So my question is, when it comes onto in here, binibit-bit, standard, this one, the word standard on life. Myself is on thinking process of, is is that on learning, or is it natural that the person already when it comes onto existence, it is on body movement? Because on myself they is killing me. Criminal as well, Sara Duterte. 'Di ba? I need help from other country because myself in here is being killed just because of business idea. I am college degree. I am Catholic person. I need help from other country. I'm not safe here, Philippines. I need mafia from other country. So my question is, it is on body movement or it is on teaching when it comes in here? Why? Because if it is on body movement, myself is being put on Tenga mode just at home so that myself be dead, be killed. That is a killing portion of them. And then the other is when it is being teaching, myself is on should be body movement. That is my question. It is 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Life is my talking in here. No, Gemaline Cantor Gonzalez is eager to kill me, especially Precious Crucendico is eager to kill me. Mine is mine. Kabit pinapatay ang kabit. 3 minutes and 33 seconds. They, at the moment I am talking, they want me to put on hurting. And then they is on top of it in feeling high level. While myself is descriptive, illustrative of what their killing portion on my life. Alex Jr. ko, this one, no? Alex Jr. ko, also named as Manuel the First. Only one count of lover is I have. Brown skin color. Truthfulness is me. I am not childish, but mine is mine. Community is me about. I am college degree graduate, work, love, life, travel. What they're doing is putting me on uh, not tiredness, putting me heaviness so that I could have heart pain illness. Tahimik ko. Having years love magic, 2017 onwards. Hala, when it comes, oh, yan, wait lang. It is 12-minute man. When it comes on to baby, myself is being put. Meaning to say of being put, myself is steady, and then there is a specific person that use black magic that tends to put me on a situation of adoption, adopt kids. That is year 2022. It starts of Angel Locsin, actress Angel Locsin. And then, what is just being says of Angel Locke Senior 2022, para matanggal ang kabit, sabi niya. During that moment, I not know what she means. Year 2022, year 2021, UNESCO, not the word UNESCO, on myself is baby. Myself is being put on multiple count of baby, even though myself is part of community, work, love, life, travel, and then focus is Alex and Gemetisa Junior ko and my baby. That person lingers about it is the person dead on Cavite. Tahimik ko, daldal. I want to talk but 7 minutes and 18 seconds. What it is about is myself is being on cryness. Cryness is me because of what I cite scenery on Google Photo about kids that says of my right eye, there is a deaf kid. And then I cry. Why I cry? Because of their facial expression. I'm smiling myself at the moment, not laughing. And then, Kuya Michael, I hear the voice Kuya Michael. Year 2022. What Kuya Michael says on my right ear, kaingit naman. Sabi niya, I feel scared at the moment. Killing vibes? I not know. Kuya Michael has college degree as well. I am behave person because of intensity. Myself is being put on, I not want them. College degree is me. This is not improvement. What there is putting on myself is they tends to get of what is mine instead of it is should be on my baby. That is how they is killer. My baby is to foreigner. Foreigner is English speaking. Na on Philippine. 9 minutes and 31 seconds. What else could I say on a deaf kid? Myself is being put, myself is happy. Happy. Imagination, on my imagination, there is it is being as well did of a foreigner eating on table. On my imagination, table and then kids and then their uh, About food, eating food. Where am myself during my imagination? International. Internationalities. That is imagination of myself 10 minutes and 17 seconds. I should say it. Wait, I will end my camera video. I will talk about adoption kid.